伊拉伫加拿大有一个华裔查甫人，伊涉嫌伫网络顶头卖自杀包。这自杀包内底底的是会讲头死人的防腐剂，若是食着就随无开死亡。伊这3年来已经卖出1200个，尾啊嘛真正造成全世界有117个人死亡。即马这个嫌犯互抓起来，互依照杀人罪顶28项罪名在互调查。
摕出后生高中毕业的相，还有母仔囝2个人出去佚佗的相片。伫伊头壳内有甲因后生的回忆，手稿车图嘛有特别的意义。
He drew these, and we all got the same matching tattoo at Christmas. It was Ashton's first one.
伫伊的目睭内，因后生是一个快乐、爱佚佗、甲伊拍拍照的囡仔。不过，因后生18岁生日进前，伊接到一通真无事常的电话。
He called me while I was at my friend's house and said he was having thoughts of suicide and didn't know what to do.
伊想袂到因后生竟然伫网络顶买自杀毒包，真正是行底路。过往的时阵才19岁，这件发生伫加拿大安大略省的自杀案件，并不是个案。国际刑警组织发现，全球有117个人，拢因为食共一款自杀毒包来死亡。其中有88个受害者是为英国来的。也来卖这个自杀毒包的，是一个住伫多伦多、捌做都市华裔的查甫人。11伊互以14项2级谋杀罪起诉，加上之前已经互指控的自寻甲协助自杀，至少判28项罪名。
In the physical world, on a street, it would have been quite clear that he was killing people, and for some reason, because this is happening on the internet, it had been treated differently. So for me, this is a real breakthrough.
不过，这个嫌犯是好人协助自杀，伊辩讲伊敢若是卖商品尔，伊卖自杀毒包，内底有真高的亚硝酸钠。亚硝酸钠是一种白的防腐剂，伫做酵母或者是封墙的时阵，加淡薄啊，会当保存搁较久。不过，若是大量食落到地，会互血氧降低，影响喘气，甚至是夺走性命。这个嫌犯从2020年已经寄出1200个自杀毒包。地点有甲40外个国家，若敢也有其他受害者，也会调查。公视新闻，张惠敏编译。